Okay, thank you, my friend. Now let's see last system. You can see this is the 3 centimeters wave. Okay, now let's see the base. The base is in the middle is a mono. This is mono, and on the back for 1, 2, 3, 4 ears. This is also mono, and all around is PU. In the front is lace. In our company, we call this base is strong and invisible. Okay. You can see the crown. The crown is very natural. Okay. The hair length is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. This wave is 3 centimeters wave. Okay, this is color number 2. Color number 2 is darker than color number 3. Okay, the base is very breathable because you can, in the middle is mono. This is mono. This is mono. Mono. Mono, mono, and in the front is lace. Okay, now let's see more details. You can see our front. In front lace, we already bleached the knots, so you can see knots very small, very invisible. This is the front knots, very invisible, and you can see our lace. The lace is also very transparent. You can see, very transparent. You can see now it is in my hands, but you can find it. It is very looks like our skin, right? Okay, now let's see inside the knots. Knots is also very small, right? Very invisible. Okay. Okay. This system, because of this base, so we call it strong and invisible. Now in my head, this system in crown is very natural, and crown is very natural. And this color is number 2. Color number 2 is darker than color number 3, and the hair length is 15 centimeters. Okay. And the base in the middle is mono, and on the back have 4 mono, and in the front is lace. The lace is very transparent. Okay, and the base size, normal size, 10 by 8 inches. It is our normal size, and our lace is very transparent. You can see, you can find it, and our front is very invisible, right? Small knots, and inside the knots also very small. Okay, if you like this system, you can tell us. Okay, today we will finish our live. See you tomorrow. Bye.